Hello everybody and welcome back to the Blind Bartender YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss filtration. This is what you'll be using if you do any of our infusion videos, because you've got to filter your fruit out of your vodka. Now before you start, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a basic coffee filter. This one's a number 4 size in the measurements that they do. You're gonna need a sieve. I've gone ahead and prepared my sieve with some coffee filters inside. I've ripped them apart and lined the bottom. You're really gonna need that to get all that stuff from your vodka. Now what you're gonna wanna do is make sure the bottom is lined. Try not to have such a big gap at the bottom. You're gonna have to filter most of your infusions multiple times. Mango is in this is mango. It is in especially thick fruit, so we have to strain this 2 or 3 times. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this through the first strain. Let me show you what it looks like now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the first strain, and then we're gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. One thing I wanted to let you guys know while I'm in the middle of straining, this is the first part of the mango vodka we got here. It's okay. Luckily. What's gonna happen is all this is gonna accumulate in the bottom of your strainer. You're gonna want to rinse this out every couple of passes. This is a very slow process, as you see from the amount of vodka that we have here. So I'll come back to you once we got all this filtered for the first round. Now our first strain is complete. If you'll take a closer look, you'll see there's a bunch of particles in the vodka from the mango. And the mango is also thicker because the simple syrup that we use in this recipe and the chemical breakdown of mango just makes the vodka thicker. So you're gonna want to run this through the strainer 2 or 3 more times. You just saw what it looks like now. I'm gonna come back after I strain it another 2 times and show you the finished product. Alright guys, and there you have it. Here's your infused mango vodka. This one is a really fun recipe to make. Make sure when you're straining it to keep cleaning your strainer. Little by little. If you send all of it through at once, it's not going to go and you're going to end up with a mess all over your kitchen. I also wanted to take a second to mention that we're doing a Bevmo gift card giveaway. It's a $250 gift card. You can go ahead and get yourself a raffle ticket at theblindbartender.net. You can also purchase a t-shirt or a polo shirt and you'll be receiving a raffle ticket with one of those as well. All merchandise ships at the end of the raffle. Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy your drink.